Hello, coaches, admissions officers, and other members of the university. My name is Daniel Goldberg, and I'm a student athlete. I would like to go to university to the math and physics, but also judo. We're here today to talk about my future, but also about my passions. Here they are. Judo is a simple sport, to throw and not to be thrown. Yet it is hard and rough and has many ways of doing it. There are dozens of techniques and hundreds of strategies. In judo we go to randoris, in other words, fights. And there are no second chances. So when I'm against an equal adversary, I never know the outcome, I never know what's going to happen. And I'm thrilled about it. I'm at the same time scared, sometimes even overwhelmed. But I try my hardest to win. So when I go to a tatami or a competition or any randori, any fight, I always ask myself the same question. Will I be the thrower or will I be the thrown? And I prepare to hear the answer. I love words. I'm addicted to books. I read in all three languages, French, Spanish and English, and I try to read everything. Poetry, novels, non-fiction, short fiction, essays, everything I can get my hands on. To show you how much I love reading, I will tell you a story. When I was 6 and trying to learn how to read but not able to, my mother told me every day, "Daniel, it's impossible to read too much. You never read enough." A few years later, while I was reading while brushing my teeth, in the car, at 3 or 4 in the morning in my room, the worst possible punishment, like the capital punishment of my house, was to take the books away from me. Proofs, equations, formulas, those are words that sound boring to lots of people, but for me they represent something I admire. They represent irrefutable proofs. When I read a proof, when I see the logic behind the proof, and when I see that they make a theorem or rule that has no exceptions, I find it incredible. It's in some sort of way beautiful. Physics is the mathematical representation of the world, so all of the beauty of math stays in physics. But what I think is amazing in physics is that everything can be represented with numbers and formulas and constants. Like everything we can see and feel and hear can be represented with proofs in physics. And what is even more amazing is that sometimes physicists can represent concepts they do not understand with formulas. They can actually do physics with things they do not completely understand. That is incredible. Thank you for considering my application. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.